Here's a 16-inch Brown Galaxy table fan that I got at Goodwill. I was having a problem where you turned it on low and medium, it would start to move but then lock up. But I opened the motor up and put some fiber washers in, and after taking it apart about 10 times, it started working right again. So here it is on low. These fans are really well made. It's got a good spin down time. I was happy to find this in Goodwill. I've been bidding on a few on eBay and getting outbid. They go for around $40 usually. Came with 7 cage clips when I bought it. Here it is one low with oscillation. It's got a pretty cool startup sound. A lot of these 16-inch Lascos did. It sounds nice when running. Moves a lot of air on medium and high. It's pretty much in mint condition. It's really too bad they don't make fans like this anymore. You know, think new these cost around $30. Thanks for watching.